Getting to the end of a day working in the garden when it's been hot and I'm tired, there's nothing more satisfying than sitting down with a cool drink. This drink in particular has got something that makes it even more satisfying than just the flavour. We make this drink here at So and So Homestay from lemongrass that we harvest from our garden. It's pretty easy to do, really. Lemongrass, well, it's a grass. It grows like a grass. It's very, very easy. There's not many pests or diseases that come for it. Gets a little bit of rust every now and again, but just trim those leaves off and carry on. It's also really easy to propagate. These plants here are just over a year old and they are getting quite big, so we're harvesting them. Some of them I'm cutting off just above the root, leaving a few centimetres of stalk and leaving the roots in the ground. And another ones I'm just pulling them up, so I'm taking a chunk of the roots off with them, and I'm choosing the ones to pull up from just around the edges of the clump because they come up more easily. And I'll transplant these later into my garden. Lemongrass is used in a lot of traditional Thai cooking. It's also used medicinally as well. It's a great aid for digestion. And a nice glass of lemongrass after a meal is going to help you feel less bloated and more relaxed. Lemongrass is also an amazing antioxidant and antimicrobial, and it's also a fabulous immune system support. But probably the most important thing I've already alluded to, it's really delicious and extremely refreshing to drink, so it really helps us with keeping hydrated. It's easy to grab a sugary drink or a soda or a cold beer, but making a glass of this when I come in from the garden is even more refreshing because we've grown it ourselves. And it's really not about the price, it's really not about the cost, because in the past we've bought bundles of lemongrass at the local market for about $1 to make up a good batch of this and to use it in our cooking. So it's not the expense of it, but the feel of being able to enjoy something that's so refreshing that's come from our garden. We know that there's no chemical in here, there's been no herbicides or pesticides or chemical fertilizer used to grow this. It's 100% natural and you can't beat that. It's so good for us. And sure, I know that there's been no sugar added to this. It really doesn't need it. It tastes fabulous just the way it is. And one of the other benefits is that we've got more to plant in the garden so we can continue to enjoy our lemongrass drink. And if you'd like to find out how we make this, what we do to prepare it, you can check out this video next. And thanks very much for watching this one all the way through.